Check out the view here, guys. Beautiful oak tree. Or we're looking at the campground here. Pool area here. Heritage Oaks RV Resort. Hi guys, today we're in Heritage Oaks RV Resort. That and more coming up next. Hi guys, checking in. Another episode of Leslin Adventures. We're in a new park. We just left Camp Connect, Talona Ridge, and we were told by the Gravely Train about this beautiful RV park here, Heritage Oaks, in North Florida. I believe it's mile marker 440 on 75. Check out this beautiful park. Jasmine, you like this place?
Yeah, it's really nice.
I'm gonna give you a full tour of this place, the sites, then the drones, the clubhouse, the pool, all that good stuff, how I normally do in all my videos. Starting with our site right here. These are pull-through sites in the back of the campground. Full hookups, water spigot here, sewer outlet, your pedestal here. All these sites here towards the back, they're back in, facing this beautiful oak tree. Very nice, very nice. Here's an overview here of what the park looks like from this section of the campground, the back of the campground here. This is nice, y'all. Pretty nice. Oh man, this is so nice here. This is real nice, guys. Check out the view here, guys. Beautiful oak tree. Or we're looking at the campground here. Nice and peaceful. Anyways, I'm gonna chill here for a bit. I'll continue giving you a tour of the campground. Yeah.
Beanie, come. He's going crazy.
Come here, Bean. This is nice, guys. Really nice. All right, campground tour now. We're gonna begin by the front, work our way in, then the pool, the clubhouse, and a view from up above. My name's Lester. That's Jasmine, my daughter. Bean, Lena is in the RV, and together we're Leslin Adventures. If this is something that you like, consider subscribing to our channel right here. So yeah, we're gonna give you a full tour here of this magnificent RV resort, Heritage Oaks RV Resort in North Florida, in between I-10 and Georgia, the Georgia state line. So that's the location here. I believe it's Live Oak. Beautiful place here. We made it here to the office. This is the name right here, Heritage Oaks RV Resort. I believe it's closed, guys. It's closed? Yeah, it's locked. But yeah, this is the entrance here. You come from over there, you turn in, and you're off to the RV place. It's extremely nice in there. I wasn't able to get you guys footage when I came in, but this is where you check in and check out the rest of the place here. Check it out, y'all. Check out this old truck. Beautiful. That's the pool area here. They have like this barn dominium looking thing. Very nice. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful here, guys. Check it out. So they have like a bar here. Very nice here. Again, Heritage Oaks RV Resort. Check it out. Here's another view. 1, 2, 3 TVs. 4, 5 TVs. The pool area here. We're gonna come here in a bit. We're gonna check out the pool here. Spend the day here. But yeah, beautiful place here, guys. Check it out. Hello. Check out this other section here of the place. Wow, magnificent. Again, the resort at a distance. Have bathrooms here. Very nice. Very nice. Tennis court here and basketball court, as well as this nice sitting area here. Here's another view here of the entrance here. and then we're gonna work our way in. And the campground tour here now, guys. Starting with all these sites here. They're all back in. Check it out. They also have a volleyball, sand volleyball here. Playground. That's where we were a little while ago. The pool area, the bar, and then all these sites here at the beginning of the entrance here of the campground. So we're gonna continue working our way in and show you around. Okay guys, full tour of the entire campground here. As you can see, all the sites are paved and big rig friendly. These sites here are pulled through and they're right across from the pool. They also offer backing sites and there's a total of 89 sites. They are about $75 a night depending on the season. The place also offers great amenities, the pool, the clubhouse, and the bar. Whether you're passing through or looking for a fun weekend getaway, add Heritage Oaks to your RV travels. And they have a dog park here, guys, for the fur babies. Very nice. Hey dude, you want to go in the dog park? And there you have it, guys, a full tour of the campground. How me personally, this is my preference. I feel like these sites here, let me show you. Sites here that are back in, they're in the back of the campground. They're the nicer sites. Again, that's for my preference. And having this back here behind your side, that will be very, very nice. Although there's not really a bad side here, my side is really good. It's pulled through. All the sites here are very nice. If you want to be adjacent to the pool, then they have sites over there. The place is not massive either, so I like being back here, having this, to myself right here. Let me show you again. So you can have an idea of all the real estate that you get with one of these back-in sites here. You back in your rig. I would say it's a good 60 feet plus. And it's on this road here towards the end. And then you could just come here. You're really close to all this beautiful area here. Beautiful place here overall, guys. So this is my favorite sites right here. All these back-in sites here. All right, guys. So we decided to come to the pool. Lena's over there filming. So we're gonna be here in the pool, chill for a bit, and that's pretty much it. Call it a day. Pool area here, Heritage Oaks RV Resort. Or Heritage Oaks RV Resort here in North Florida. What's solar powered? Oh, nice. Yeah, guys, beautiful place here. We are so glad we stopped here because we discovered a hidden gem for you guys. Check this out. Check that out, y'all. And they also offer a hot tub here, as you can see. Great area here to lounge and hang out. Here's another view here. Sunset is happening. Beautiful pool. RV resort at the distance. We decided to slow things down and just enjoy the moment by coming here to the pool and the hot tub. Relax and enjoy the moment. As promised, here's a view from up above, so you could really see it from a different perspective. Although we only stayed one night, we had an amazing time here at Heritage Oaks RV Resort. We will definitely be coming back. The sunset is happening. Beautiful place. Everything from up above looks fantastic. Anyways, beautiful place here. We are about to get started on the grill right now. I'm about to grill some steak. Finish our date over there, hanging out with a nice fire, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, guys. So we're making some rice. This is called arroz con andule in Spanish, but it's rice, peas, pieces of bacon, chicken. We also have skirt steak in here, peppers. I already grilled my steak here, and that's gonna be our dinner here, guys, in beautiful Heritage Oaks RV Resort. Ooh, this is yummy macaroni, y'all. Check that out. Again, this is called arroz con andule. We wrapped up our date with this fire right here, relax and taking the moment as the night settles in. Good morning guys. It's time to head out. We really hope you enjoyed this video at Heritage Oaks RV Resort in North Florida here. With that said, safe travels and see you on the road.